Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off overdraft protection Wells Fargo. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step, because what I'm going to tell you is exactly what it says on the official website. So there are 4 ways to do this. First one is through your online banking. You can head over to online banking and then find your overdraft service, and you're going to click on turn off and it will be turned off from there. You can call a phone banker at 1-800-2 Wells, and you'll see this number, which is 1-800-869-3557. Call this number and let them know that, hey, I have my overdraft protection on Wells Fargo on. I need to turn this off. What should I do? And they'll let you know step by step. Next option is talk with a branch banker. So you need to go to the branch physically, and the last one is to visit a Wells Fargo ATM, but I'd say you either call them or you visit the bank personally and they'll do it for you. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.